Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Ford Ranger emerges as a robust and versatile midsize pickup, blending modern design with impressive performance capabilities. Available in 4 distinct trims: XL, XLT, Lariat, and the high-performance Raptor, the Ranger caters to a wide range of preferences and requirements. Performance and powertrain. At the core of the Ranger's performance is a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 270 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and responsive shifts. For those seeking enhanced power, the Ranger Raptor features a 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing an impressive 405 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, ensuring exceptional off-road and on-road performance. Towing and payload capacities. The 2025 Ranger is engineered for capability, boasting a maximum towing capacity of up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. Additionally, it offers a payload capacity of up to 1,805 pounds, making it suitable for both work and recreational activities. Interior and technology. Inside, the Ranger's cabin is designed for comfort and functionality. The base models feature a 10.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, while higher trims are equipped with a larger 12.0-inch display. Both configurations support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The instrument cluster varies from an 8.0-inch digital display in base models to a 12.4-inch all-digital cluster in premium trims, providing clear and customizable vehicle information. Safety features. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Ranger, with standard features including forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Additional driver assistance technologies are available, enhancing overall safety and driver confidence. Trim levels and customization. XL. The base model offers essential features suitable for daily driving and work-related tasks. XLT, this trim adds advanced features and technologies, striking a balance between functionality and comfort. Lariat, combining luxury appointments with robust capability, the Lariat offers leather-trimmed seats and a premium sound system. Raptor, designed for high-performance off-road adventures, the Raptor features a powerful engine, specialized suspension, and rugged design elements. Pricing. Pricing for the 2025 Ford Ranger starts at approximately $34,500 for the base XL model. The off-road focused Ranger Raptor is priced around $57,500, reflecting its enhanced performance and features. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Ranger stands as a versatile and capable midsize pickup, offering a range of trims and features to suit various needs. Its blend of performance, technology, and safety features positions it as a strong contender in its segment. For a visual overview and more insights into the 2025 Ford Ranger, you might find the following video informative: the all-new 2025 Ford Ranger, everything you need to know.